One of the best ways to get ranked in local search is something called citations. It's mentioning of your business name, address, and phone number. So let me show you here is, again, if I type in Miami Funeral Homes, you will see that Google tries to match 3 of the top funeral homes in Miami market. But how does it know which funeral home is the best? And of course, there's bazillions of algorithm that goes towards this. But one of the most important ranking factor would be something called citations. And citations is a way to tell Google this is a real business. Because if you're a real legit business, you should be ranked, you should be listed in other major search engines such as Google, Facebook, Yelp, YP.com, some of these being listing some of these major ones. But what I've been seeing more and more often is since citations are getting more and more critical, I see business owners going for the shortcut. And shortcut is fine, is you just got to know how to work with these shortcuts. Shortcuts are, there's a few businesses out there that help you claim these citations and help you automate the whole process. So you might heard of Moz, you might heard of Yext. Yext is huge. It is public traded. And their promises, especially Yext, is, hey, just enter your name, address, phone number. They're going to do everything for you, right? They're going to help you claim all these citations, help you fix duplicate listings. And I will say probably 80% of that would be true, right? But there's always that a few major dominant directory. They don't like it when you automate things. So I'll give you a couple examples here. Okay. So for example, you can use Moz. Moz is pretty credible, and of course you have Yext. But if you just rely on these, this is what's going to happen. And let me build this up. Okay. So this company, which I I blocked off, so I was doing a audit for them, is this business. They use Moz to help them aggregate their citations. And you can see that even leveraging these third-party businesses to help you generate more citations, some of these like Yelp.com, Google.com, some of these, they still need you to manually claim your business listing. These Moz, Yext, they don't. Even though they say they do, they don't. Because these still need phone verification with somebody somebody who is physically in the office, right? So this is what I want you to, again, automation is always good, right? But you gotta be smart in what automation can do for you. What we do is we just manually claim one by one, because I know for the long term that is better. We manually claim each citation one by one, look up duplicate listings, work with these directories and get them removed if it's a duplicate listing. So some of these, you just got to know, right, when to use automation or not. For citation building, it's definitely better to build one by one manually. Okay, but if you don't have time, definitely go ahead and use automation, right? If you don't have luxury of claiming one by one, go ahead and use it. You just got to know, right? Some of these listings, you got to still claim it yourself. So it's just Yelp, right? Google, Bing, some of these you still need to manually claim it yourself.